Boxshot, if you don't know 3D modeling, you can insert all of the assets, product, and introduce your product and render it. For example, you have a disc, you have a book, you have some colors, all of the products that you can and create and rendering. Or you can import your own 3D model. From the shapes, I will be explaining a little about all of these categories. First, from the bags, and you can see we have. Let's go to the move tool. I move it here. You can see we have a different product, something like this. Sometimes I think can move it into axis here. You can see we have a different kind of product in this way, and all of them has their own properties. For example, if you click here and focus on that, you can see in its settings here we have two things: properties, physical properties, and you can come here and change the material of them, front, back, left, right. It's interesting. I will show you then in the material. You can have different handle here. You can see I don't want to explain them all of them one by one, just main important thing. You can see the change handle. You can change the width, height, the thickness of your back here, and change the spread. You can see just change the settings. In some cases we have lots of settings with different name. Just change them and see what happened in your product and customize it. Or for example, this, you can see you can change width, height, top seal here, or you can see this setting. Yeah, there are different deformation of your product. You can change, or you can see it randomized like this. You can see you can change the parameter here. You can flip the texture if you want, thickness of that, deformation value, and like this. Nice. They are the same. Okay, this is a bag. You can change the book. You can see we have a different book magazine here. The settings are also the same. You can change width, height, texture, wrap the texture around. You can make the texture open, close, open a bit. Or the manual is very interesting. You can go to the manual and edit shape. This part is open, and you can see you can select all of this and change the opening of door, select here and change the properties of the book. Wow, interesting. You can see with this handle we can click, drag this handle, and you can change the properties of your book. For example, select here. Wow, you can see you can change your book and hit OK, and you can see it's exactly like you. It's cross section of the book at the top. This shape is cross section of the book at the top, and then you can customize it, edit shape. You can change the cover. You can make it to open a bit. You can change the hardcover properties, change them to see what happened here. I don't want to explain. You can make it dust jacket here. You can see. Or leaves. You can randomize the leaves. Head, back. Headband is here. You can make it bigger. For example, make it thickness 2. You can see. You can change all of it here. Level of detail. And that's it. So change all of the properties and see what happened. We have an open book here. Here, open book with a different setting. You can Also, don't forget you can change all of the properties of it. For example, you have your own material at the front. You can see you can change the material of that. You can change the image that you want. Your image, you can put it there. I will show you in the material. I will show you in this part in the material. And like other box. Okay, you can delete, change them to see what happened. We have some boxes. For example, in deadline boxes, you can interact with origami. You can open it. You can see you can fold it open and export this template with SVG and open in your CAD software or CAD vector design software. Dimension is deadline inner outer for cutting that. You can fold it. You can change box like this. Nice. Box, something like that. You can change length, width, height, and other properties. You can see. If you open it, you can see, for example, flap. Where is that? 6. You can see. You can change them anywhere that you want. And then you can export the SVG, this cutting area, to cutting a laser. And this flow direction, you can make it vertical, horizontal. In the paper, this is on layer 1, layer 2, and it's a carton paper. This is on floating in this direction or that direction. For better cutting, you can choose it here. Okay. And like other boxes, you can see any object has in its settings. And also, again, you can go to the material and change material tag, front, left, top. You can click in here and crop image. You can see you can change it. Then you can go to the branding and change the coffee mug, USB drive, anything that you want. In its settings, in the material, you can open, turn off or turn on the delete door, make it empty from cafe or not. I don't know USBs, what is in here, but here's the USB. You can make a different kind of the USBs, show rings if you want. You can make an animation, and I will show you how to export this animation in the render. And CAD, I will show you CAD later because there are tools. There are tools here that you can change it. Devices, phone, monitor, you can change the matter. It doesn't have any settings here, but you can change the material, your monitor, body, screen here. Crop image. You can add your screen here. Mobile phone. It has no setting here. And then disk, if you have a disk, if you have something like that, you can use this product. You can make it open. Show disk if you want, show cover if you want. You can turn it on or off. It's all about the disk. Grocery, for example, a different, if you have the color bucket products, you can use them. You can see we have a different kind of that. Change height, top size. You can show the label on or off. You can show door is on or off. You can rotate the door. You can change the angle of the handle. So you can customize it and change the texture in the material. These are tools I will show you later. So pharma for pills or something like that. You can use it. Tube for your customizing thing. Nice. You can see we have a lots of setting here that you can choose rows, columns, randomize pills, seed. Change all of them to see what happened here. You can see bending, and also you can change the texture of that here. I will show you in the material. Okay. Simple shape will show you later. Stationery. Again, you have brochure, image stacks. You can see we have a little different changing here. Wow, you can see we have a kind of different for cap. You can customize it. Just see, change them, what see happen here. Okay, we have something like that. You can change it. Angle 2. They are turned off because these settings are for other brochures. Here you can change it. You can see. Just change the setting and see what happened for your product. And again, you can change the textures here. Something like this. You can change the corner of that. More round. Number of image. Split of them. Distorter. If you need texture for front. Again, you can change the texture image here. And you can put your own texture and image here. And here is another kind of a box and brochure and something like that you can use. Open book with lots of parameter here. You can see. Okay, that's it. You can explore them and see which asset you will need, or if you couldn't find your product here, you can import your model easily.